my pretty viewers, welcome back to Marycee Classy Fashion. Thanks for clicking on my channel today. I'm so happy to always have you around to watch our video. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, please subscribe so that I will know that someone like you stopped by. And also, if you have been visiting this channel but haven't subscribed, please do me a favor to subscribe and switch on your notification bell so that you always be notified when a new video is uploaded. Please subscribe to join Marycee Classy Fashion and Hairstyle family. I bet you won't regret that decision. I want to do a special shout out to our returning subscribers. I sincerely appreciate you all. You are my strength to keep going. Thanks for the likes, shares, and all you do to keep this channel going. I really appreciate it all. I also appreciate you all my viewers. You are unique. Please, if you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go on and join this our wonderful family. Thanks. In today's video, we are on one of the trending and stunning hairstyles. That's the dreadlock. Dreadlocks have come to stay. Most of the classy and working class ladies always go on this hairstyle and like it so much. We are showcasing different ways that the hairstyle can be packed, giving way to a sweet and pretty face. We carefully combined the best dreadlock hairstyles for our elegant, classy and pretty ladies so that they will stand out from the crowds. Thanks so much. Stay back and watch the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thanks for always coming around.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you.